Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a catfish. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our catfish, we're going to begin over here at the eye. So what you want to do is just make a circle for the eye, then draw a smaller circle inside of here. And I'm going to color in this small circle, but I'm going to leave just a little bit white at the top for like a reflection. Now, starting out here, we want to make the mouth. So I'm going to begin right here by drawing a little line that's going to curve up, or I should say curves out and up. Then I'm going to bring this up and down just a little bit. Now right here, we're going to add that whisker. So what we want to do is draw a little line that's going to come down. It's going to come to a point and then up here. Then starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go out. It's going to come down and then back here. Then starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come out here and we're going to curve it up for the gills. Right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down and then up here for more of those gills. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and then it's going to come up. And we'll just continue it up a little farther. Now, starting here where we kind of went down just a little bit, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then it's going to come down to here. So we're just going to go up a little bit and then we're just going to bring it down here. I'm going to take this line and go out a little bit, and this line we're going to go kind of straight across. Starting here, I want to make a line that's going to go out and then it's going to come down. This one we're going to go down and then we're going to go up and bring it in and connect right there. Now starting here, let's make that top fin. We're going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go up. It's going to curve around here and then come back in. Now over here by the gills, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down at an angle and then in. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come up and in here for another little fin. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go out. It's going to come up and then in right here for another little fin. Now, this is our basic shape of our catfish. We want to come in here and add some different details. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make this little whisker a little longer. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit and then come up to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and then it's going to come back up real close together for some whiskers. We'll make another one right here. And then another one here. Then I'm also going to draw a little line that's going to go down and it's going to come out for that whisker on the other side. And then some catfish have whiskers on the top too. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go up and then down here. And then we'll add another one that kind of does the same thing. Now, starting up here, you just want to add some long lines that are just going to come right up to the top here. So we're just going to bring some long lines up. Then we're going to bring some lines coming right along here too. Then we're going to bring some lines right across here. Right here, we're going to add just a little curved line. And then we'll add some small little lines coming along here. Right here, we're going to make a little line that comes down. And all across here, you just want to add some lines that go from this part to the end of the tail. So just make some nice straight lines that come right across here. I'm going to add a little line right above the top of the eye. Then I'm going to add a little black dot up here for the nose. I'm going to add a couple long broken lines right across here. And then we'll make a couple more broken lines here. And maybe another one across the back. And there you go. There is your drawing of a catfish. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.